I'm going on a tangent about making this one very fucking small. Space is not a complete vacuum. And if there are these quantum fluctuations, then it'd be damn near impossible to really create a vessel for inhabitants in space. I'm not saying that it's not possible, I'm just saying that if I put a can of soda in a vacuum, it bursts. Because there's pressure inside and there's no pressure outside, so things have to equalize. And that's the thing, is that if a person were to be in space for a period of time, the first thing one would do, tuck in the lips, close the eyes. That way the moisture doesn't boil off. And also deflate your lungs, exhaust. Or else it try to balance things off. Now, talking about space, or talking about black holes, a lot of people think of black holes just as a linear plane when they're actually 3D. And the Hawkins radiation, essentially what happens is that this gravitational force that attracts all sorts of matter and not too certain what actually happens with that, with all of it. However, I do know that there is enough hydrogen in space, in free space, to provide enough fuel for interstellar travel. Maybe that's a little extreme, but essentially, if space is filled with hydrogen, then yeah, interstellar travel is possible. How do I know that space is filled up with hydrogen? Do the research. Star water. And that's why I've been saying for all this time is that space is not a vacuum. I'm very close to understanding, well, I shouldn't say very close. I'm better understanding this idea every day. And the thing is that if there's a black hole, everything congregates around the blackness of the void. And it's a 3D shape, a sphere. And, well, there's Hawkins radiation. And so, well, ultimately what it comes down to is what actually causes a star to form. Because there's all this hydrogen around, and the sun is mostly hydrogen. And so that's the radiation we're receiving. And being as being compressed, like, that's the thing. There's the fusion process on the outside. And that's why things are warmer on the outside of the sun than on the inside of the sun. Because on the inside of the sun is absolute zero. That's what a black hole is. And if everything is spaghettified and everything is going down to one point, then only, I mean, that's 1 point. Information can be leaked from that 1 point. No denying that. And that is why I think supernovas happen, because once things collapse, well, that's the supernova is. Things collapse, and energy that was removed is put back in. It's a lot better than some of these theories out there. And all I had to do was just question the reason. Take care, be safe, be kind, stay strong, and let me just clarify. What I did is I performed a Malcolm X on a lot of these scientists, and I used their words against them. Damn white devil! You want to teach me the white word? Well, I'll tell you the white thinking. I can't press the test because I don't fit in. I guess I don't know how to do this, that, the other, and the. Yeah, whatever the fuck. Don't ever discount yourself, people.